PGA Tour Pro-Am events. PGA Tour events often include Pro-Am tournaments, where amateur golfers have the opportunity to play alongside professional players and experience the thrill of competition. The enduring popularity of Bobby Jones' golf instruction videos. Bobby Jones was a legendary golfer who left a lasting impact on the world of golf. His skills on the course were unparalleled, and he was known for his sportsmanship and gentlemanly demeanor. But beyond his accomplishments as a player, Jones also had a significant impact on the world of golf instruction through his series of instructional videos. Even though Jones passed away in 1971, his golf instruction videos continue to be popular among golfers of all skill levels. So why do his videos continue to stand the test of time, and what makes them so special? One reason for the enduring popularity of Jones' videos is the timeless wisdom and insight that he shares. Jones was a master of all aspects of the game, from driving and putting to mental focus and strategy. His videos offer practical tips and techniques that are just as relevant today as they were when they were first filmed. Another factor that sets Jones' videos apart is his unique teaching style. Unlike other golf instructors who may focus on technical details or swing mechanics, Jones' approach is more holistic. He emphasizes the importance of developing a strong mental game, as well as a deep understanding of the fundamentals of the sport. One of the most iconic aspects of Jones' videos is his emphasis on etiquette and sportsmanship. Jones was a firm believer in the idea that golf is a gentleman's game, and he encouraged his viewers to conduct themselves with grace and honor both on and off the course. This message resonates with golfers of all generations, and it is a key reason why his videos continue to be popular. In addition to his insights and teachings, Jones' videos also benefit from his reputation as a true legend of the sport. His accomplishments on the course, including winning the Grand Slam in 1930, have solidified his place in golf history. As a result, golfers young and old are eager to learn from a player of his caliber. Furthermore, the production quality of Jones' videos is worth noting. While they may be older and lack the high-definition quality of modern instructional videos, they are still clear and easy to follow. The classic black and white footage adds to the nostalgic charm of the videos, making them a pleasure to watch. But perhaps the most compelling reason for the enduring popularity of Bobby Jones' golf instruction videos is the sense of connection that they provide. Watching Jones on screen, sharing his wisdom and passion for the game, creates a sense of intimacy and camaraderie between the viewer and the legendary golfer. It's almost as if Jones is speaking directly to you, offering guidance and encouragement to help improve your game. In conclusion, Bobby Jones' golf instruction videos continue to be popular because of the timeless wisdom and insight that he shares, his unique teaching style, his emphasis on etiquette and sportsmanship, his legendary status in the world of golf, the production quality of the videos, and the sense of connection that they provide. Whether you're a seasoned player looking to refine your skills or a beginner eager to learn the basics, Bobby Jones' videos have something to offer everyone. So why not take a trip back in time and learn from one of the greatest golfers of all time? You won't be disappointed.